Now let's have a look at the exercise 2.10. So here we have a table and a small table here. It's about different type of clothes, and each clothes have different color. And the color will result in different amount of discount. So let's first interpret this table. If the color is pink, then the discount will be 20%, and if the color is blue, the discount will be 10%. And if the color is not pink and not blue, that must be belonging to all the other colors, it will receive 5% of the discount. So here let's do the formula. How do we calculate the price after the discount? So first we need to check whether this color is pink, right? So even though we are talking about the price of the coat, because the criteria will be about the color, we will choose the color as a logical test. So if C2 is pink, and move on to the next argument. If true, then 20% of discount would apply. If not, we still need to check whether it's blue or other colors. So this exercise is a little bit different because instead of having two conditions like value if true and value if false, it has three. So knowing each if function can have two conditions, so if we have three, we have to expand the two conditions to three conditions. So we already know the concept of the nested function, so we could have a function within another function. So here we can try to insert another if. And this time, since we already compared whether the color is pink, so this time we will compare whether C3 is equal to J4 if that color is blue. If yes, 10% of the discount. If not, 5% of the discount. So this part in total will be the value if false for the larger if. And let's close parentheses for the previous if. So we have two ifs, but with one within another. So in the syllabus, actually they want you to use this insert function button, but I'm not using that as I prefer this way. In this way, you can easily see and read the logic behind it. So let's press enter. We do have the discount, and as you can imagine, we cannot just simply drag it downwards. We still need to fix some rows, fix the dollar signs, because we only move downwards, column is not moving. And let's lock the row. C3, we want it to move, we leave it. J3, we lock the row. H3, J4, H4, H5. That's it. So all these cells will stay in this table, and we can move downwards to compare the other colors. And now 74, this is a simple math. Original price minus 5% of the original price. You will get 95% left. Okay, this is the first scenario of 2.10, and we have another one also belong to 2.10. Similar situation but different rules. So now we have again code, article number, color, price, discount, and the price now. So the discount, we will use if again, but we see here we have three possibilities. Whether it's blue or white or gray, they all receive the same amount of discounts, which is 20%, and otherwise 10%. But in this case, the logical test, we will use operator called all. So this one, and we can say, okay, as long as one of these logicals that fits, then we move on to the value if true. So the logical one would be white, so this cell equals to blue. If not, let's see if this one is white, and if still not, we see if it's one is gray. We use semicolon to separate different arguments. And as you can see here, using the all operator, we can have so many logics at the same time. And we only need three. So as long as one of these three fits, then we will move on to value if true. That will be 20%, and value if false will be 10%. Close parentheses, and also define the $sign. Okay, we have 20% and 10%. Let's check this one. 20% blue, it's same as white, it receives 20% of discount. It works. So the other case, 2.1.10, we use the if within if, and 2.10.2 we use the operator or within if. So the operator could also be an and or not, that we have covered in other exercises. So now the price will be the original price minus the original price times the discount. Right? Alright, this is exercise 2.10, and I will see you in the next video.